Today we will be photoshopping this dumb, cringy, unfortunate, desperate, low quality, useless image and then making it look more epic. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on the final image. And no, the thumbnail does not show the final image, it just shows my face. So I hope you're pumped up for this and let's jump in. What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. My name is not PewDiePie and I have decided to make more Photoshop videos because my other Photoshop videos were doing well when compared to my other videos. Today we will be learning how you could be a vampire for free just using your Photoshop skills. Before getting started, I'd like to say that you are missing out on a lot. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and most importantly hit that bell notification as well so that you just don't miss out on anything and you are the best. Alright, let's just get started. And of course, as anybody could expect, I got started with cutting out the image from all the crap which it had in the background. Then of course it's time for some lighting. And in my case, the light is coming from the right side. The eyes, of course, is very important, as I have said in my previous video. So I spend a lot of time with the eyes. And of course, something which I have noticed with all the vampires, they have eyelashes. And in my case, it looked very weird, but you know, vampires are vampires. And of course, the background was, well, black, vague, and yeah, it was very pale. And so it was time to add something in the background. And if you expect just this as the background, you're in for a surprise. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, you are now officially a vampire, according to the GIMP or Photoshop community. I feel like I could have done more with it, maybe added some trees and then made them look like they were in a forest, but I felt like that would ruin the vibe. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. With that said, like this video to let YouTube know that you are enjoying what you're watching, and of course subscribe right away so that you are not gonna miss out on anything else. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.